Hello ladies and gentlemen. In this course, I'm going to teach you how to build a professional looking website. We are going to use WordPress as our website builder. Who is this course for? Well, this course is for anyone with the desire to learn how to build a website and anyone who wants to start their own website with no money spent, just with the time and effort you're going to put. And anyone who wants to master WordPress design, this is the right course for you. So what are the requirements for you to be able to follow along this course? You do not need any experience. You just be a complete beginner. It's just fine. You do not need to have any programming skills. Yeah, just have a good understanding of English. And all you need is just a computer with internet access when it is necessary to download the resources which I'm going to show you. Please note that you should take your time to practice each section of this course. In this course, I will introduce you to the following concept and practices. That is, you will be able to create a landing page, which you might call as a home page. You'll be able to build in an about us page, services page, portfolio page, and contact page, and etc. We are going to use the following course structure, whereby we are going to first learn how to design a WordPress website within your computer. That will be offline, and you'll be able to build a website wherever you are, as long as you have an internet access here and there. I will teach you how to create a simple logo, and I will provide you with the resources needed. So, section A of the course, you will be able to learn how to configure your WordPress website. After that, you will learn how to create all the pages you want to show on your website. Then the fourth part, then you'll be able to create a menu where you will be able to access all the pages within your website. Then finally, in this section, you'll be able to learn how to build the home page, which some of you call the landing page. Under section B of this course, I will introduce you to the installation of WordPress theme, which is going to help us to build our website faster and more unique. Part 1 of this section will be you will be able to install a beautiful theme. Part 2, you'll be able to getting all this theme all together, that is installing the Astra theme which you will be using. Part 3, I will guide you throughout finding the right page builder, which you are going to use Elementor Page Builder, that will make us build website easy. Part 4 of this section is being a lesson on how to build and configure the header menu, or the top header of the website. Finally, part 5 of this section will be about how to create the body of our website and design a simple footer that will be seen below our website. The last section of this course will be our last part of the course. Part 1 of this section will be, I will teach you how to edit the home page. Part 2, you will get free images and you will be able to compromise them for your own benefits. Don't worry, this is not illegal, it's legal. The third part of this section will be designing the first section with a call to action menu or buttons. The fourth part of this section will be the section will be able to design the service section on our website. The fifth part will be how to build a good about us section of the website. Going to the sixth part, we will be able to build a testimonial section that will be found within the website. the last part, but not least, we'll be able to put the clients who we have worked for may section in the website. So if you have made it this far on this video, then you are ready to start how to build a complete website. So please hit the subscribe button. Please press that notification bell found below the video, and you'll be able to send you notifications on the next video when we upload. Thank you.